Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly on a 2011 Ford F-150. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to start with dropping the tailgate. And now we can see the tail lamp and exposed two mounting bolts. That's an 8mm socket. So we're just going to take that right out. It's a nice thing about working on a vehicle with a truck bed liner, or a bed, shall I say. I get to put the parts and the tools down. Now I can just grab the tail lamp, move it back and forth firmly. So the tabs that are located in here are just push-in tabs. I like to use a body tool, plastic tool, and I can get in there and just pry them forward, like that. Now I have the harnesses exposed, so I'm just going to spin the sockets completely out without disconnecting the electrical connector. So there we have the old taillight assembly. Here we have the new tail lamp assembly for our 2011 Ford F-150 from 1A Auto. And here is the OE factory one we just took out. It's got some chips on it and some scratches. If we flip it over, you can see the three mounting connectors, and here is the one from 1A Auto. They'll come with these little paper tabs on them. You're just going to pull those off. They're just stopping for packaging. Then you've got the mounting pins. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Now before I install the new tail lamp assembly, I'm going to pull off the shipping package. You just want to peel those off and discard them. So I'm going to put the lower socket in. I'm going to line up the tabs. You've got the longer tab and the two shorter tabs. Longer tab being on the bottom. Make sure it's flush. Then I'm just going to turn it clockwise and feel it lock. The backup reverse light, same thing. You've got four tabs. One tab's larger than the others. Line them up and turn it clockwise. This one's then the top socket, the same. You've got the larger and the two small ports. Line that up. Make sure it's flush. Lock it in. Now we can bring our headlamp assembly over and connect the electrical connectors. Line the tabs up. Make sure you get them on the right way. Lock them in. You've got the two plastic tabs in the back. Line these pins up. And you've got the plastic tab in the front. Then you're going to give it a quick firm push. Making sure everything looks good, lined up. And you can put your mounting screws in. That's an 8mm socket. Just bottom out, give it a little tug there, snug it down. It is plastic. Last thing you want to hear is a snap. And don't forget to run your lights, make sure everything's working.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.